Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious red velvet cupcakes step by step. First, let's gather all our essential ingredients for this classic treat. You'll need your dry components like flour and cocoa, alongside wet items such as buttermilk and eggs. Make sure your butter and eggs are at room temperature. This helps everything combine smoothly for a perfect batter. Getting organized now saves time later. Now let's get mixing. Begin by creaming together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, incorporate your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully blended before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry and wet ingredients to the creamed mixture, mixing until just combined. This technique creates a smooth, vibrant red velvet batter. It's time to bake. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising without overflowing. Place them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let your beautiful red velvet cupcakes cool completely on a wire rack before even thinking about frosting them. The final, delicious step is decorating. Prepare a luscious cream cheese frosting, which is the perfect complement to red velvet. You can pipe or spread the frosting generously onto each completely cooled cupcake, creating a beautiful finish. For more great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade red velvet cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.